Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to reset your ink pad counter into when you're using Canon. So this is reset already, but the problem is like I've been doing it wrong. Some people shows you something different, and the models of these machines are different. I wouldn't say whatever they say is not right, but what I discovered is I saw another video which was so amazing, whereby these guys, they say you switch off this guy. When you switch him off, what will happen when you want to switch it back to do this? You have to press here and here. After when you press this, when it comes back to press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Of which it didn't work on this model, and I've been doing this for many machines, and I never win up until I bump into a video. I wish I could even put a link to credit that guy. So what he did was, you press these two, black and white, right? Then you press the on button, right? When the machine is on, you can see the machine is on. You release these two, then you can see the screen is still blank, but it's on. Then after you start pressing 1, you can see the buttons are doing 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, you leave it. Once you leave it, then you're gonna see a blank what? A blank screen, right? So that's when they say the machine now goes to service mode. So after that, that's when you can do what those guys say. You get me? So when you see this is like this, then you say 1, 2, 3. Then you press here. When you press there, it means it's gonna print for you the counter on the ink pad counter, or on the percentage on the print. You get me? So that's what I discovered. Okay, you can mix my video and other videos, then you get the right thing. Because if you don't see the screen, just know you can't reset the machine, right? That's it. So yeah, I think that this video could be something which is important to you, because I'm working on a PIXMA, Canon PIXMA 4411. So you can see now the machine has printed the information on the paper. You can see all this information. You can see how it is, G what, you know, all those things. You get me? So the info, all the info, you can see D016. You get me? So this is the thing it gives me. So you have to maybe learn out what does this do, but this is gonna be all right. So once you like that, then you can switch it off. You get me? When you switch it off, when the machine comes back, it's gonna be fine. So yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next video.